One of the core pillars for any business is legal contracts that protect interests of all parties involved. These contracts are legally binding agreements with your customers, vendors, or suppliers. Managing, organizing, and understanding the risks and obligations within these contracts is critical for success. Most organizations file these documents in scattered repositories and formats such as scanned documents, PDFs, and image formats. As a part of your digital journey, it's time to bring your contract documents under one centralized repository and organize them to better understand hidden risks, obligations, and entitlements. Smart Contract Analytics platform gives you the tools for deeper contract visibility by transforming unstructured documents into structured data. Whether you are in healthcare, pharmaceutical, banking, insurance, or airline industries, this platform provides powerful features that bring improved efficiencies in terms of time, costs, and control on contractual obligations. Powered by artificial intelligence, machine learning, and NLP, you can easily extract clauses or metadata from any contract and build a corpus for improved accessibility and searchability. With this, you can search for terms, keywords, clauses, and phrases across the entire repository, cutting down time and manual efforts to respond to any event. The platform also enables you to compare executed contracts and clauses in different documents, giving you further insights into your contractual data. Learn more about Smart Contract Analytics and discover how your organization can benefit from this platform. Contact us today to schedule a product demo and get started with Smart Contract Analytics.